Welcome to BlackJackSpecial.
What do you guys think? Trying to give this thing a quick wash. Hard to even see. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, BlackJackSpecial. Back with another video for you guys. So I already started, so I'm sweating right now. It's hot down here. I am removing the side skirts, the OEM side skirts, and I'm going to install the IPL side skirts that I just bought yesterday. One thing I didn't notice though about the IPL side skirt that I got, they're in pretty good condition. Obviously they got scratches and shit we got to fix, and also it's a different color because the IPL only came in like it's like a black, but it also looks a little bit purple-ish. So it's gonna be a little different, but I just wanted to try putting them on for now and see. But I already noticed that a couple of clips are missing, like where you would put the clips in. Sure. Yeah, so example, so this is the OEM. See, OEM has two here. This one is missing the two here. See, it's missing, right? Now this one exists, this one's this one, but then you can see where it was right there. It broke off. So that's kind of like a bummer because I don't know if, like, I mean, the screw's gonna hold it in, but then what about the body? What if this doesn't stay in? So we're gonna see. That would be kind of like, sucks, you know? But yeah, we'll see what happens. I actually have to go to this car show for my friend at McLean Auto Solution. I'm gonna end up being a judge there. I did the same thing last year where he has this competition with like songs and stuff. These guys have all the sound systems in their cars, and you know what I mean? Who has the loudest, who has the, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go there too. We might do some video recording there. So I'm trying to get the side skirts on. I only have like a couple hours. And then hopefully I can wash the car if everything goes well. Take the car to the little show. I even got like a cheap little temporary splitter for the front. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. So I can't really, you know, hold the camera and do stuff. Sure, there's a lot of videos out there with how to install these side skirts. If you want me to do a video on, you know, install, I could do a video on install. But for now, I just want to install it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. All right, let's keep going. Shit, look what we're looking so far, guys. Kind of hard to see. I put the car on the floor. That's wireless, it looks already. I don't know if I like how the splitter is. Actually, it does look straight. Yeah, the side skirt curves inwards, and then, yeah. Yeah, okay. Put the car on the floor, do the other side, and then see if we need to put the little front splitter that I bought. All right, let's go. What do you guys think? Trying to give this thing a quick wash. Hard to even see because the car is black, but IPL side skirt looking really good. And the car looks lower. We gotta get to that show though. Gotta get to that show. We need rear diffuser now. For sure. Looks good. Show you guys. See. Lip. Looking good. Front lip. Not bad.
Don't play with me so long. Me see the future. When me looking at your eyes, but you switch up like the day to the night. 1 minute warm, next minute cold. Me have to wonder if your heart really sold. Me not chase if you not run too close, but me not lie, you want you the most.
Don't scare me now. Me could be a while through this bag and I'm a city. Them try set me up with such creative pack. Was tell me out of half to heal me and have the yard. Just give them a chance and them feel me. And everybody say, no, me hear them enough up like ants. Yeah, me hear them enough up like ants.
Give him something, Trevor. Give him something. Give him something.
Me and the fam, few friends ain't playing on speak a lot, and I can't stop, and I can't stop, and I can't stop, and I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper, 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying.